Happy Tuesday, class! I hope you felt like you got a little break this past week because these upcoming weeks will wrap up our time together. Where did the time go, right? Well, we're not done yet. We still have our retail presentation to submit, an annotated bibliography, the final research paper to complete, and the final essay exam. Oof! If you've ever done research, you know it can take some time. However, you don't have that much time. That's why I suggest really focusing on and utilizing resources over the next few weeks. That's also why we are beginning the research process this week. These research resources include, but are not limited to, the MSJC Library website, 24/7 librarians, NetTutor, your classmates, and your instructor. On another note, please take time to really look at the due dates of each assignment. Some of the assignments may not be due in the week they are posted. If there's any confusion, let me know immediately. This class doesn't seem to have any problem speaking up and asking questions. I like that. Now let's jump into the discussion. This discussion post asks you, 1, to decide what your research topic will be, and 2, to post one of the entries you will use in your Essay 4 annotated bibliography due in week 7. As always, try to be an asset to your classmates in the responses you give. Have a great week, and let's finish strong.